we're going to show you how to use one of these. So two-prong wine opener is the best way to describe what this is. It's also known as an so. I'll pause for the giggles. It's basically, you have two prongs, right? There's no corkscrew whatsoever. These are used, they're very handy when you have older wines that the corks may not be completely sound. They use pressure to pull the cork out of the bottle. So instead of taking what they call a worm in a wine key and drilling it into the middle of the cork and ripping out the center of the cork, especially like I said when you get older wines, these are key for that. So what we do is you take the large end, put it down the side. Hopefully you can see that. And you'll feel it start to kind of work its way down the side of the cork, like so. So if you notice, you have a little bit of room between what we've now placed part of this longer end down the side of the cork. So now we're just going to click it over, like so. So it falls, it pops right in place, right down the other side of the cork. Now, this is important. This is very, very important. You don't force it down. It's more of a back and forth motion, like so. Because if you force it straight down, it's going to push the cork into the bottle. So now we're just back and forth, and we turn it. I don't know if you can see the corks turning, and don't force it. Just let it happen naturally. And you spin it. You don't just pull it straight up either. Just like so.